on Shuvi Etrata because we would like to know more about what she's wearing. So we heard earlier na this is something
Yes, wait, tayong dalawa. Ano tayo?
I haven't seen you,
How are you, Shoes?
Thank you for welcoming me back.
Yes, of course. You're always welcome
You're
here.
always welcome in our hearts and our screens. Ano ka ba?
Tama. Okay, sige, Shuvi, we heard that this look is inspired by a very special something, a very special collaboration.
Smells of roses.
Yes.
Nice.
Tell us about it.
Alam ko na eh. Kaya nyo talaga inano eh. Naamoy nyo talaga. Ito na.
Exactly.
I feel like I need to tell you the secret.
Ano yung sikreto?
What is
What
it?
is it? What is it?
It's the Serve Fabcon Luxe perfume.
Wow.
Hindi na ako nag-perfume. Hindi na kailangan pang mag-perfume kasi long-lasting perfume bango naman.
I know, diba?
Ang naaamoy nyo.
Hindi siya perfume.
Yes, it's the, of course, it's you know, the Fabcon.
Yes!
You
It's
know?
a Fabcon like that.
Yun
Okay,
yun.
pero Shuvi,
Yes.
bakit red and then
Yeah.
white as roses or
Yeah.
flowers?
What's the inspiration?
Yes. Actually, my designer is Rian Fernandez. My stylist is Katza Verbega. So, ang gusto lang talaga namin makita, you know, the beads kasi, of course, with my career, all of it naman comes from hard work.
Yes.
That's
So,
true.
yung gown na to, ginawa din with hard work ng mga
Synonymous.
stylist and then the designer, 15 na taong gumawa nito.
Wow.
For 360 hours, they made it. So I'm just really grateful that it's really designed for me. And then masaya lang ako to wear Rian Fernandez because this is really my dream gown. You know, like sexy na, malinis.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, na just pinaghandaan for me. And
Yes.
it's been a dream of mine na somebody will do a gown just for me.
And you absolutely deserve this,
Yes.
Shuvi.
With a
Tremendous
touch
in it.
of roses,
Roses.
of course.
What about your
Yes.
hair and makeup, Shoes?
Oo nga.
Yes,
Hair and
Tyla.
makeup.
Yes, Tazia. She did it for
Oh,
me.
I
Yes,
love Tazia
love her.
Falek.
Yes. Grabe talaga. Snatch na snatch tayo
Yes.
today.
Specialty
Yes.
niya ang morenas and none
Yes.
other than Shuvi as the muse. Pero sige,
Oh, thank
Shuvi,
you.
was this gown collaborated with Surf na ikaw din may input ka or you just trusted them?
First, I told them what I wanted.
Yeah.
But then, with all their ideas, kasi it's like a unanimous decision.
yeah.
Kasi we are aligned talaga with
I
Surf.
love
Very-
that.
Yeah. I wanted to look good, smell good sa gala. Of course, it's a long day, so kailangan natin maging mabango.
Of course.
Oo. Kaya naman talagang masaya ako na dala-dala ko sila. It's not really the design, it's the scent.
Yes.
It's the
It's the
scent.
scent.
of
Sometimes
it.
it's that
Yes,
seals
yes.
it off.
Yes.
And Shuvi, before we let you go, this is 75 years. We're celebrating 75 years of GMA. Syempre,
Yes.
what are you most thankful for being part of this home, right?
This network, yes.
This network.
My home network, I'm just really grateful kasi they've accepted me for who I am. My authenticity, hindi po nila ako binago. And now that there are people who love me, masaya lang ako kasi natanggap nila ako kung sino ako. And that's because my home network believed in me. So sila yung unang naniwala sa akin, nagmahal sa akin. So ngayon, I'm just happy and proud na dala-dala ko ang Kapuso everywhere I go.
Wow, thank you
Yes,
so
thank
much,
you.
Shuvi.
Thank you so much, Shuvi.
What
Thank
a
you.
journey.
Thank
Sobrang
you.
proud kami sa'yo.
Thank
Yes.
you!
Yes.
Thank you!
You deserve
I'm
all the
also so proud
blessings
of
in
you
the world.
guys!
Thank you.
Grabe naman talaga.
Thank you so much, Shubs.
Thank you. Amoyin niyo pa.
Yes.
Amoy na amoy.
Hello! Thank you.